Hi, this video is the ARP hair transplant restoration surgery result 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. This is a year follow-up. We did over 2,000 grafts by the FUE method, and we lowered his hairline around an inch and a half. This client had done quite a bit of research in looking at the before and after photo, but he's been following my work for quite a while, and he's seen over hundreds of video of the before and after I created, and that's really convincing. Not just doing hair transplant, but he worried the most is how natural the hairline is. And now a year later, he's on the other side now, and whatever he was telling me, he said, I wish I'm like one of your patients, so if it comes out good, then I'll come back for follow-up, and now he is. But the other thing that he mentioned to me, that this with a full set of hair and make him younger and more happier, better for his self-esteem, but it really affected his life for the better. And that's really touched me, and it bring a lot of satisfaction to my job, not just monetary wise, but this is part of the job where you see your work of art has come to life a year later, and then people wearing that, and then it frame the face and affect their life in so many positive way. And again, hair transplant not a perfect science. Sometimes you're going to need more than one surgery to have perfect density. The more advanced hair loss you would have, the more chance you had to repeat it. But a guy with a mild hair loss like this client, he opted for the FUE 2,000 graft, and this is where he is. We just lowered the hairline, and this is where he was before. I'm going to show you honest what he looked like before. Okay, now, but we can start back from the beginning. So this is before. You see, we lower like an inch and a half. And again, we create the hairline, it had to flow. It is an art form. So it's not just the surgical skill. The surgical skill will give you the density, but the artistic and this aesthetic detail, that's how separate my work from a lot of other doctors, is how natural the hairline is, and how he framed the face better. And a year later, you see now he's wearing his hair up and combing his hair up like Elvis almost. But again, before he kept combing his hair down to hide the forehead, but now he can wear his hair up, and so he showed the face better. And a year later, that's before, and a year later. And now this is where his hair is. Look at that, excellent density, excellent. And so, can you look straight at me? Perfect. Turn to the right. Turn to the left. Perfect. Look straight at me. Look all the way down. And since there's the FUE, there's not much to see in terms of density, in terms of scarring, because there's tiny dots, and that's before. And this is a year. And again, not everybody gonna have exact same result, but if you look and follow my work, it's very consistent. And this is the ARP hair transplant restoration surgery using the FUE method. And what separates my work from other clinic is there's FUE means follicular unit extraction, and there's a FUE specialist like me who personally pulling the hair graft one at a time. That will give you the best result. And people are not specialized in FUE, they buy a machine to pull the hair graft out. The result's not the same because the graft is not as healthy. And the other one, they have the technician operating the whole thing, and that's not, we're not, of course, technician versus the surgeon operating, where me, I'm the surgeon, so then the density and the naturalness is better. So the harvesting part will give you the density, but the artistic and aesthetic detail to give you how natural the hairline is. Thank you.